Hello guys, in this video we will see how to play Monopoly Go mobile app for beginners. First of all, let's navigate and open the Monopoly Go app on your phone. Once you're inside the app, you will get the login button or the option to continue as a guest. As a new user, you can join with a Facebook or Google account and play with your friends to earn more points. Once you're inside the game, you will see this interface where you can get some options that we will explore. From the top right, if you tap on that, it will open a drop-down where you can see your profile name and also the other things you have already earned. After that, if you tap on these points, a new page will pop up on the screen where you will see the number of points that you can purchase if you want, or you can earn by playing this game. After that, at the top right, if you tap on these icons, this will open a new page where you can see the shields on your screen and the unlocked armor, etc. and check them one by moving to the next tabs. So after doing this, let's go back. And now from the top right side, tap on the three lines and a new side menu will appear on the screen. Here, the first option is Shop. If you tap on that, it will again take us to the shop where we can purchase the points that we already checked. After this, there is a Net Worth option. If you tap on that, it will take you to the Net Worth gallery where you can see your total net worth, the levels that you have already unlocked, and the empire you have built. Let's close this and go back to the side menu, and next is My Showroom. If we tap on that, it will take us to the same page where we saw the tokens, shields, etc. After that, there is a map. If we tap on that, it will open the maps on your screen, currently played or visited maps, and also the upcoming maps that you can explore. After the map option, there is Board Report. If you tap on that, you will see the report here, but right now I don't have any reports. After that, from the bottom menu, you can tap on the Wins option, but it will only unlock when you update through 35 net worth levels. Now, to play the game, you simply have to tap on the Go button, and this will start the game. You will earn some points through roll discs and start moving. When you land on one of the 4 railroad squares on the board, the game automatically transitions you away from the main board. Here, select a mega building and hit that to do a heist. You will earn points from the heist and tap on Collect to add them to your cash points. There are also many hidden things that you will find in these 4 railroads. Now, to build your empire, tap on Build, and here, just tap on the card icon at the bottom, and it will start building your empire, and your earned money will be spent on this. Whenever you achieve a specific target, your level will be upgraded and you will move to the next step in your net worth and unlock more features, as you can see on the screen. Now let's go back, and this time we will start exploring the More option from the bottom. Here, if we tap on the album icon, it will show a new page where we can see the album of cartoons that will be unlocked as you earn levels. After that, there is a Friends section where you can invite your friends to play this game with you and earn more points. So this is the simple and complete overview of the Monopoly Go game that you can download and play on your phone.